Bad circumstances ensued. Unforeseen circumstances led to this occurrence. The whole of it lacks coherence and logical validity. It seems that those in positions of power possess knowledge that is not accessible to us. This particular juncture has significant importance within the broader context of cryptocurrency history. However, what is the subject matter of my inquiry? Let me provide an explanation. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. As elucidated in our preceding films, the substantial divestment of Bitcoin by the German government has been significantly impacting the cryptocurrency market in recent times. Furthermore, the most recent update indicates that over 50% of the reserve has been loaded. Indeed, it is correct. The sales frenzy is approaching its conclusion. Fortunately, I anticipated that this violent conflict would persist and undermine our investment portfolio. So, what implications does this have for us? Given the gradual alleviation of the intense selling pressure, it is plausible to see a potential market rebound imminent. Indeed, it is likely, but more about it later. Furthermore, it is evident that individuals are beginning to experience a little increase in optimism. Furthermore, it is essential that we observe the presence of green on the charts. This may potentially signal a pivotal point in the market's transition from a state of fear to one of optimism. Not very rapid. Just as a ray of optimism emerged within the tumultuous conditions, an extraordinary event occurred. Ethereum whales, the enigmatic powerhouses of the cryptocurrency realm, have entered the battle. Based on on-chain data obtained by Spot on-Chain, an individual with a relatively low profile for a duration of 18 months has just transferred a substantial quantity of more than 7,000 Ether, with an estimated value of $21.4 million, onto the Kraken market. Moreover, this action is not only arbitrary. Cryptocurrency deposits made to an exchange often indicate an intention to engage in selling activities. The aforementioned whale, which seems to have shown keen market awareness, appears to have executed their departure with impeccable timing. Investors entered the market in early 2023 at a period of market recovery and have since seen a substantial gain of 149%, possibly resulting in a profit of over $13 million. To be candid, it is an exorbitant increase. However, it is important to reflect about the current situation. In contrast to the prevailing market dynamics seen among Ethereum whales, recent developments have shown intriguing developments pertaining to this particular group. Industry leaders such as VanEck and 21 Shares are actively advancing their applications towards completion. According to Eric Balchunas from Bloomberg, the aforementioned modifications mostly pertain to procedural matters, implying that the introduction of these ETFs into the market is imminent. At this juncture, the coherence of the situation falters. In light of the promising developments surrounding Ethereum, such as the prospective legalization of ETFs and the gradual recovery of markets after the German government's Bitcoin sell-off, it is pertinent to inquire as to why a prominent Ethereum investor would want to liquidate their holdings at now. It is plausible that a more significant factor is at play in this scenario. Could it be possible that while the general public is experiencing enthusiasm over the forthcoming Ethereum ETFs and the potential for a market recovery, the prominent stakeholders possess knowledge that eludes our understanding? Could we maybe be on the cusp of a covert game being orchestrated in the background? It seems that we find ourselves at a critical juncture. On one hand, there exists a prevailing surge of constructive emotion. The probable introduction of Ethereum ETFs has the potential to engender a surge in institutional investment and initiate a fresh period of bullish market activity. Conversely, there are substantial Ethereum whales that are selectively divesting their investments during a seemingly atypical period. Might this perhaps be a kind of market manipulation? Are these whales strategically establishing a bear trap with the intention of deceiving us into perceiving a decline in stock prices prior to the commencement of the actual rally? One may argue that they are capitalizing on the prevailing optimism in the market to strategically position themselves. Alternatively, it might be a mere fortuitous occurrence, a calculated choice to safeguard their benefits prior to the commencement of major operations. However, it is intriguing to see how these prominent entities consistently maintain a competitive advantage. Furthermore, it is worth considering the potential implications of this drama for Shiba Inu's future trajectory, given its architecture based on the Ethereum platform. Is the departure of this whale indicative of further volatility in the future for Ethereum trading? Furthermore, for Shiba Inu, this is undoubtedly an intriguing and anxiety-inducing period for both Ethereum and Shiba Inu investors. Nevertheless, this represents just a fraction of the overall issue. Another wave is rapidly impacting the cryptocurrency industry, further agitating the already volatile landscape. Eminent trader Peter Brandt has expressed significant criticism against Ethereum, resulting in considerable controversy. Farouk Danesi, the creator of Sifin Online, recently expressed his views on Brandt's tweet, criticizing Bitcoin as ineffective and a mere tool for speculators, while commending Ethereum as a genuine and superior alternative. What is Brandt's response? Insufficiently flattering. He effectively trashed Ethereum with 3 mounds of ridicule. Although it may seem little, his considerable influence inside the trading industry may have a substantial effect on market attitudes. When someone of Brandt's stature articulates such a profound assertion, it is inevitable that it will reverberate throughout the community. Therefore, what implications does this have for Ethereum? Negative opinion expressed by powerful individuals has the potential to undermine confidence, resulting in price declines and heightened market volatility. For the Ethereum platform, the next trajectory may be fraught with challenges as traders and investors respond to these prominent viewpoints. Furthermore, due to its reliance on Ethereum's blockchain infrastructure, any disruptions inside the Ethereum ecosystem would unavoidably have an impact on Shiba Inu. This serves as a reminder of the remarkable interconnectedness of digital assets and the rapidity with which sentiment may undergo shifts. Although many individuals may dismiss Brandt's remarks as just subjective viewpoints, it is not uncommon for the market to respond in unforeseen ways. As Shiba Inu owners, it is essential to attentively observe this moment. However, these circumstances give rise to a greater number of inquiries rather than solutions. The imminent introduction of the Ethereum ETF is anticipated to have a transformative impact, particularly for development initiatives such as Shiba Inu that rely on the Ethereum platform. There exists a strong connection between Ether and Shiba, and the potential success of an Ethereum ETF has the capacity to attract a substantial influx of fresh investments into the broader financial system. Consider the hypothetical scenario whereby the Ethereum ETF garners comparable levels of interest as the newly sanctioned Bitcoin ETFs. The substantial inflow of institutional capital has the potential to significantly increase demand, hence possibly elevating the price of Ethereum and exerting a substantial influence on Shiba Inu. However, the negative news that we have already addressed cannot be disregarded. This study examines the strategic sell-offs made by whales and the conflicting opinions expressed by notable persons. What information do these market makers possess that we lack? What is the rationale for their current sales activity? Are individuals primarily engrossed in the market panic, so overlooking the wider, enduring outlook on the future trajectory of the Ethereum ecosystem? Or what is now occurring? The intricate nature of the situation notwithstanding, the prospect of a bullish surge propelled by the Ethereum ETF is quite appealing. In the event that the ETF meets its anticipated performance, there is a possibility of a substantial increase in the value of Ethereum, perhaps propelling Shiba Inu to unprecedented levels. The potential results of this phenomenon include enhanced liquidity, heightened trade volumes, and a revitalized feeling of investor confidence within the ecosystem. Currently, Shiba Inu is exhibiting a favorable incremental increase of 2% during the daily time period. The price movement of the asset has reached a state of stability at now. But do not let this tranquility to deceive you. This quiet may indicate the emergence of a significant future event. Following a period of market volatility, the occurrence of a stabilization in the market often serves as an indication of an impending big event. Is this the tranquil period before the tempest? From my perspective, I see this stability as a prospective platform for initiation. Due to the favorable momentum generated by the ETF announcement, Shiba Inu seems to be poised for a substantial strategic maneuver. This juncture warrants careful observation, as the subsequent actions of the market may provide significant insights into our future trajectory. Although there are many hurdles and uncertainties in the future, the forthcoming Ethereum ETF continues to provide a glimmer of optimism for some individuals. For Shiba Inu owners, this might indicate that thrilling moments are imminent. However, what is your perspective on the matter? Please leave a comment below. I would much appreciate reading your viewpoint.